you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So do you want to see my review for the Blue Moon palette and the other extra goodies that came in this set and how I created this? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, I had asked you on my ColourPop order which set you wanted me to do a try on first, between the Blue Moon, the Zodiac, and then Give It To Me Straight, and Blue Moon was winning by a landslide. So you asked, you got it, here it is. So this is the look that I created using these products. And again, I did buy these all in a set. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna show you them, I'm gonna swatch them for you, and then I will play the video on how I created this look so you can check it out. So let's go ahead and go with the star of the show. This is the palette. This is the Blue Moon, again by ColourPop. And I actually am very, very pleased with it. I'm actually surprised on how well I believe I did and how it turned out. Here's the box. It looks just like this. This is an actual hard plastic. It's not the paper ones. So there is the front of the package, and there is the back with all of the colors of the shades, the names, and it also is on here as well. There is a mirror, but then here is the shades. I did dip into a few so you can see. There's a little bit of glitter. You can see which ones that I did dip into. So going over again, I use this in the corner of my eye and underneath my brow. I use this on my lower lid. I use this on the top. I used this in the middle crease, and I used this one in the corner. This one I touched, but I forgot that's not the one I used, so I didn't really use that one on my look itself. But I think these are really, really, really pretty. And again, they blend seamlessly just like all the other ColourPop. So I'm very, very pleased with that. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you guys right now. So hold on. Okay, you guys, so there is the complete palette right there. And it starts from this color all the way down to here. So this is all 9 shades from this palette, the Blue Moon, and I think it is so pretty. And again, this one is so pretty. It's like an iridescent, pearlescent. That's what I put again on the top. You can't really see it. Here I can maybe add a little bit, a little bit more to that top here. There you go. Now you can kind of see it a little bit more. So I am very, very pleased with this palette. Again, I'm so glad that I got it. I don't have anything that's just blues, and I am loving ColourPop more and more. So thank you guys so much for telling me to do this one first, because this was the one that I was the most anxious and nervous and scared to do, because this one is totally out of my comfort zone. The other 2 palettes, they have more of the colors that I do like. So I was so hoping that one of those won, but you know what? Things happen for a reason. I'm so glad I did it, because I did step out of my comfort zone 125% or more. And at least now I got this one over with. And plus you guys really wanted to see this one, so I really wanted to do this one first. Now, the next thing that came into this kit was also this right here. And this is the Blue Skies Ahead BFF bundle. Now, this is where I have the blue mascara. And me personally, I think this look would have looked better with black mascara, but it came with blue, so I used the blue. And again, here is the packaging. And there is the blue. Like, this is blue, and that is what is on my eyes, my eyelashes right now. So again, I think it would have tied in a lot better using black. I don't know if I'm really going to use this anymore. I'm not quite sure, but I'm at least glad that I have it. I now have a different color because I never used any other color other than black. Same with the eyeliner, and I used it on my waterline. I don't think I've ever put anything down there, especially a color. So this is the packaging on the, oh, does it tell me what color this is? This is called Sky High is the color of this. And this one is BFF Cream Gel Liner. Cream Gel Liner. This is in Prance. And the packaging looks like that, and you roll it up. And the swatch for this is right there. So very close to the mascara, but again, I have never used a color other than black, so I was very, very intimidated, but I think it actually brought the look together. So there's that. Now the last item that came in here is this. No, this is Prance. Oh, this is Prance as well. So this is the same color, but in a pot. And I did not use this. I didn't touch this when I did my unboxing. I still haven't touched it. So this one I think I'm gonna go ahead and put in a future giveaway, so one of you guys can try out and enjoy the color, because I don't use that style. I like to have the eyeliner like this. I don't like using the little brush and trying to, I'm not there yet. Not there yet. Then the last item that came in this bundle is the Glitterally Obsessed. And this is in the color You're a Firework. Perfect. Today is 4th of July. You're a firework. And I'm surprised I'm not hearing them right now. So I wanted to hurry up and get this done before it gets dark, because if not, all you're going to be hearing is boom, boom. So there is the inside right there. And it has like some chunky dunky going on. There is actually stars in here, you guys. Let me show you. There's stars and circles. You see all that in the glitter? There's stars, there's circles, there's big chunks, there's little chunks, and I love it. It has its own little jelly-like consistency. See if you can see. It has its own jelly-like consistency. So you don't need to have like a glitter glue or anything, which that is awesome, because I don't like using glitter glues. I have a glitter glue, but simplicity is I like things to be simple, easy. I don't like things to take a long time. So I'm glad that I can just dip my finger in here, put it on, and I am good to go, and I am done. So that is the entire set that I got. Again, I used this. This will go in a future giveaway. I didn't touch it or swatch it. I used both of these, but then I did use my black from Tarte for the top, because I like my black, and the Blue Moon palette. So that is everything using this look right here. So if you want to see how I created this look, then that, my friends, will follow. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with my MAC. I always put this on first, and this is the color Vanilla. I always start with that as my base. I don't know what this is gonna do, or I mean, how this look is gonna turn out, but we shall see. Okay, here we go. Here's the colors again. I think I'm gonna go with this little Lumi over here and add a little bit of pop underneath my brow to start. You see that? That is really pretty. It's like an iridescent opal-y looking, whoa, color. Okay, here goes nothing. So I guess I'm gonna start with this little Moonlight, this lightest color over here, and let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and add the Billie Jean to my lower lid because I think this glitter on top of Billie Jean will look really nice, and then just focus on the darker blues like going up instead of on my lid. So let's see. All right, let's see here. So this one is Fine China. I'm gonna go with Mad About You and darken up my corner here. I'm gonna go ahead and use the blue in my waterline. I'm going to use my, I'm going to use my Man Eater by Tarte for the top because I want to put black up there. Okay, so now I need to put on this blue mascara. Okay, you guys. That is my blue moon look. What do you think? I think the look would have looked so much better with black mascara instead of blue, to be quite honest. But it came with blue, so I used the blue for the first time ever. And yeah, I like the glitter. I do really like the glitter on it. I think it made it look really good. I do like the blues. I like the transparency between the different colors. I like how it blends. It's so blendable. I just really am digging ColourPop. But for a blue look, I think it came out okay. For me, I mean, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just a makeup lover. But what do you guys think? Do you think it looked okay? Comment down below. Let me know. Your positive interaction with me means the world. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, watching this review. I did this for you, so I hope you liked it. And yeah, definitely comment down below. Let me know. Did you think it looked good? Do you like the blues? Did you buy this palette? Are you one of the few that it's in your cart? Are you gonna cash out your cart, or are you gonna X out of your cart? What you gonna do? Let me know. So thank you so much. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you will not miss a future video that I load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.